Yeah, and those winds have finally calmed down, but now we're dealing with the threat for severe weather.
But this is the first time this year
yeah.
that we've even had any kind of weather down except wind and dry. Yeah.
It really has. It's been a really quiet season, the quietest we've seen since the 1980s so far. So we're finally getting some wet weather, though, so that's good news, even though we are having to deal with the severe weather. And we already have a severe thunderstorm warning, southeastern part of the state, Lee County, until 6:30 p.m., and then the whole southeast under a severe thunderstorm watch, and that's going to go until 10 o'clock this evening. That's the areas here that you see highlighted in pink. So let's go ahead and get to the storms here. We have a cluster of storms around the Lovington area. All these moving very slowly to the northeast. The primary threats with these storms are hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. So we're not seeing any rotation out of these storms, but again, dumping some heavy rainfall as well, and of course dangerous lightning. So definitely seek shelter if you're in these areas. But everyone else right now, nice and dry across central and western New Mexico. So you have to get close to the Texas border really to get any thunderstorm activity, but we are going to be looking at some of the moisture down in the southeastern tip of the state starting to work its way and expand its way a little bit farther to the north and west. Dew points here around the state. This is how we measure how much humidity is in the air, and you can see there's a lot more of it over in the southeast. So Roswell still a little dry right now for any thunderstorm activity, but again, this is moving to the north and west, so we'll have to watch for severe thunderstorms perhaps in that area all the way on up into Clovis. And that's for tonight, the primary threat between 6 o'clock and midnight. And then tomorrow, this moisture is going to move even farther to the west. So central mountain chain as far northwest as the Continental Divide. We could be looking at scattered and isolated showers and storms. So that includes the metro area. Here's how everything's going to play out. We'll be watching for isolated storms mainly across the southeast and the east central plains here for tonight. Tomorrow morning, thunderstorm activity is going to be gone. We'll be looking at partly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow afternoon, you can see that sliver right here, central mountain chain, perhaps the metro up into the northeast, looking at the possibility of isolated thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. And then going into Thursday, the moisture shifts back to the east. Drier air moves into the western and central part of the state. So we'll be watching for more isolated storms across the east plains, but dealing with perhaps just dry thunderstorms for the central part of the state and western New Mexico. And then as the system gets closer, and that means the winds are going to ramp up on Thursday. So with the potential for dry storms and also the windy conditions, fire danger is going to be very, very high for us on Thursday. Here's your forecast now, region by region. Our temperatures first, we're looking at temps in the 70s and 80s. So it was a lot warmer today, and that warm up is going to continue as we head into tomorrow. So north and west today, looking at highs tomorrow in the 80s, 90 in Durango, 93 in Farmington. So a lot of sunshine for you in the northwest, getting it even warmer. Then we cool down a little bit as we head toward Friday, and then this weekend, the second half, looking at the chance for a few showers and storms, perhaps into Monday as well for the Four Corners. Down in the southwest, mostly sunny tomorrow, warm and breezy temperatures for most of you in the mid-90s. Silver City 90 tomorrow, 90 on Thursday. Macy a stray storm on Thursday, drier for the weekend, and perhaps the chance for a few storms for the start of next week. South and east, watching for that severe threat tonight. Temperatures will fall off into the mid-60s, then another warm one tomorrow with highs in the low to mid-90s, and perhaps a few more thunderstorms tomorrow. That chance for storms will stick around through Saturday, then more sunshine Sunday and Monday, and temperatures are going to be warm. Roswell upper 90s for you as we head toward the end of the work week. North and east, a few spot thunderstorms are possible tonight with better chances tomorrow. Temperatures will generally be in the 80s and 90s for you in the northeast. Las Vegas mid-80s for the next couple of afternoons, and then this weekend we dry things out Saturday, and then we could be looking at more spot storms on Sunday. Northern mountain scattered storms tomorrow with highs in the 80s, 90 in Santa Fe, a few more storms on Thursday, and then we could be looking at round 2 going into next week. East mountains, isolated storms with highs in the upper 80s tomorrow, and for the metro, we're looking at the chance for a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. It will be a warm one, highs in the low to mid-90s with overnight lows in the 50s. The winds pick back up again on Thursday, more sunshine Friday and Saturday, and perhaps a few more storms on Sunday and Monday. So we're seeing that moisture start to get into our part of the state now.
Tells you how bad it's been, though, that we're excited.